Does milk come from blood? The answer is yes, from both Quran and science. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam ala Rasulullah. We remind you that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, indeed, for you in grazing livestock is a lesson we give you to drink from what is in their bellies, between contents of intestine and blood, pure milk, palatable to drinkers. This is in 1666. Let's see now what science says. Does science really say that milk comes from blood? Yes, this is what steamit.com says. They say that milk is just filtered blood. All mammal milk is in fact made from blood. Yeah, this is a fact because blood contains lots of nutrients.
All mammal milk is made from blood because blood contains lots of nutrients and baby mammals need lots of sugar, fat, and protein to grow complex brains and bodies. But mammal mamas can't just open an artery. That would be dangerous. Plus, most of the useful nutrients in blood are too dilute, and blood has too much iron for most babies to process. This is where the mammary gland comes in. It's full of thousands of tiny sacs whose walls have special cells that grab water and nutrients from passing blood, do some chemistry on them, and pass them to the inside of the sacs, where they mix together to become milk. When a baby starts to suckle on the teat, its sucking pattern tells the mom's brain to release the hormone oxytocin, which attaches to the sacs, causing them to squeeze out the tiny droplets of milk into the baby's mouth. Each mammal species tailors its blood filtering recipe to the needs of its babies.
So you have food, digestion, fully digested food, you have absorption of the water, vitamins, nutrients into blood, and then you have the milk. So it's the blood that feeds mammary glands, then produce milk, produced from excretions with useful nutrients, which is absorbed in the blood. Therefore, after the advancement of scientific research, man lately came to know and came to learn that the components of milk are from blood, retaining no traces of the chyme or blood in the milk. However, the noble Quran disclosed these secrets to its readers in the most eloquent and beautiful way, most concise way 1400 years ago. And the question to ask, who urged Prophet Muhammad to talk on the secrets of the digestive system and the circulatory system and the subtle processes, especially the ones going on in the mammary glands, other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who knows the secrets in the heavens and the earth? He, the Almighty, He knows the mysteries in the heavens and the earth. And this is enough evidence that the Quran is revealed by Allah, the Exalted, to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's up to you now whether to believe it or not. I repeat the ayah for you. And indeed, for you in grazing livestock is a lesson we give you to drink from what is in their bellies, between contents of intestine and blood. Pure milk comes from there, palatable to drinkers. This is in Quran 1666. So please go do your research. Go to Geeksar, groupasa.com, steamit.com, realclearscience.com. Alhamdulillah, Quran goes hand in hand with science. And this is a clear proof for the non-believers to believe in the Quran and Sunnah. Jazakumullah khair. Please share this video. Alhamdulillah, salatu salam ala Rasulillah.
But the bottom line is milk is filtered blood from a cow. The hormones that we find in cow's blood, we also find that in milk.